Hey, how was y'all's first day of school?
Not too bad. Not too bad. It was bad. Our math teacher already gave us so much homework, and we have a test tomorrow.
Oh wow, that does sound like a lot.
Sis, how are you not stressing out right now? Hello? Sorry, this game is just way too fun. What game? Block Blast. It's so much fun, and it's definitely keeping me from stressing out. Whoa, that does look fun. The next day at school.
Bro, I didn't get no sleep. I can't believe our math teacher is making us take a test on the second day.
Yeah, all I'm worried about is beating my sister's high score.
What high score? And what are you talking about?
Look.
After math class.
Ha! Guess what, sis? I'm better than you on Block Blast, because I just beat your 1500 high score. My high score is 2000 now, by the way.
Oh, great heavens!
Back to school and Block Blast. You should try it now.